Are you seeing the Game Overlay Renderer DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. For professional-grade Game Overlay Renderer maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Game Overlay Renderer, the core 32-bit execution library for the Steam in-game overlay. It hooks into the Direct3D or OpenGL swapchain of active games to inject the Steam UI, Shift+Tab. Because it performs process-level memory injection, it is frequently quarantined by Windows security. If missing, the overlay will fail to appear, and some DRM-heavy games may fail to launch. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Game Overlay Renderer belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Game Overlay Renderer, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Game Overlay Renderer DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Game Overlay Renderer. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Game Overlay Renderer error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.